Hey everyone, it's your girl Tiffany. In today's video I'll be showing you guys this new 26-inch wig that I got from the company Celie hair. This is their Brazilian straight HD lace wig. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I laid the wig. It was really easy and simple, and also how I styled the hair. Please give the video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Here you can see that some of the wig cap is still lifting. The only thing you have to do is add some spray to it and then just press it down with the end of the comb. So the wig already came pre-plucked, but I did decide to do some extra plucking just to make it look even more natural. And I was also telling myself to practice my plucking because I often don't pluck my own wigs. Usually they come pre-plucked, or I just leave them as they are. And I was pretty satisfied with how it turned out. After I finished my baby hair, I decided to straighten the hair off camera. This is what one side looked like after it was done, and then I still had to straighten it. And this is how the 26-inch wig turned out, y'all. This 26-inch wig is super long. On their website you can get it up all the way to 30 inches. And what I really loved about the hair the most is how soft the hair is, and I barely experienced any tangling or shedding. Here's a better look of the length. I'll make sure to put all of the links in the description box down below. As far as Celie hair, I've worked with them for several years now, and I'm always satisfied with their wigs, so definitely make sure to check them out. Also, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.